In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit requirements. First, make sure you're in the Define perspective and then click on the Practice requirement to select it. You can edit requirements in the Requirements Detail pane, which is this section here of the Define perspective. You can change the name of a requirement by clicking on the Name field and typing a new name. You can also change the owner, type, and priority fields in the same way by clicking on them and making your selection. And you can change the status, rank, and estimate fields in the same way. The delivery status field is automatically updated by the Agile tool. I can use the text editor here to create or paste any text that I want as it pertains to the requirement. Notice the many formatting options available here on the toolbars. If you look over to the tabs along the right edge of the screen here, you'll see that you have several options for further defining your requirements. We've already seen the attribute data when we set a due date for the requirement. The Relationship tab allows you to establish and manage relationships. The Versions tab lets you see what versions exist for the requirement. The Tags tab allows you to create and tag requirements. The Attachments tab lets you attach files to a requirement using the Attach Files button. The Discussions tab allows you to start and contribute to discussions about the requirement. And the Tracking tab displays tracking information as it is received from the Agile tool. When you're finished editing the requirements, click on the Save button to save your changes. Finally, notice these two buttons here, Tree View and Grid View. These are the two views you can use when you're working in the Define perspective. So far, we've been working in Tree View, which is the default view. But you can also edit requirements in Grid View, which looks like this. This view is basically a large spreadsheet that contains all the information related to your requirements that we saw before, but laid out in grid form. You can double-click on any of the items and get a drop-down menu of choices, or open up the field for text editing. You can also customize the grid view with regard to what columns you'd like to display. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.